Hey everyone, today I'm here to talk to you about the recent open house that I had back in January 13th and 14th. It was a great weekend. I had some guests over to both operate the layout and also to see the layout in operation. I myself didn't get much video of the actual open house, as trying to host the event, keep the layout running, just kind of coordinate everything. Didn't leave me much time to get any kind of real video or pictures or anything of that nature. However, with that being said, there were two special guests that I had here, both very good friends of mine and fellow YouTubers, K Flanagan 98 and JP Videos. Both of those fellow YouTubers did get plenty of video of the layout in action, and they posted videos of that on their channels. There'll be a link in the description below to both of those videos. I encourage you to go over and check them out. Also check out the other stuff they have on their channel, and possibly subscribe to their channel. I know I've been usually I do videos every weekend. I know lately I've been kind of slacking off on that a little bit. I've had a lot on my plate over the last several weeks. Preparing for the open house being one of them. It was getting busier, at work, so that took up some more of my time. And just, normal life stuff kind of kept me away from making videos. I know I'm long overdue for a layout update video. I've gotten a lot of work done to the layout since the last update video, so I'm hoping to share that with you guys all pretty soon. I also visited the Maryland Railroad Museum, the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad Museum in Maryland. So I do have some stuff of that I'm kind of having the works of, getting it all edited and ready to post on YouTube, so that'll be upcoming. Also, I got a special weekend coming up in March where a bunch of YouTubers here from Northeast PA are all going to be getting together for a special video, so once that happens, you'll get to see that. And that's all I have right now. Thanks for watching this video. Again, I didn't get much video of the actual open house, very little actually, but again, check it out. Go over and check out those other videos I was talking to you about, and thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.
Is this like the Forgotten Land over here?
Hey everyone, today at the open house, the 2018 open house here at Bernie's Mountain Railroad, I have two fellow YouTubers here this weekend. Jason from JP Videos is here with us. He's also going to be doing a video that we'll be posting up on his channel. There'll be a link in the description. Also, K Flanagan 98, Ken Flanagan is here. He is also a fellow YouTuber and longtime friend. He's also doing some video clips that are going to be up on his channel. So thank you very much for watching, and I just wanted to give a shout out to these fellow YouTubers who came to visit this weekend. Thanks.